Hi, and welcome to another edition of Market Analysis. For today, March 15th, I'm Giovanni Benacourt, analyst, trader, and operator with Vantage Markets. Well, the banking crisis that began on Friday appeared a little less terrifying as markets rebounded on Tuesday. However, the turbulence might not yet be done. There is hope that the issues that brought down Silicon Valley Bank and other American institutions won't get worse. Of course, there could be other problems. In Europe, shares of Credit Suisse are falling to fresh record lows as the company battles its own demons. The final battle of the financial crisis appears to be one that the Federal Reserve is still engaging in. If Lehman Brothers collapse taught us anything, is that the failure of one institution can have far-reaching and disastrous effects. But it's also true that permitting banks to borrow a limitless amount of money against collateral with a par value goes against what textbooks advise. The Fed should have charged significant haircuts, loan out much less than the value of the collateral instead of making all depositors whole. That will make up for their lack of appropriate preparation for difficult times. Prior to the Fed's rate decision on March 22nd, speakers are now prohibited from speaking. The meaning of all of this for traders is left to speculation. So, with that being said, what can we expect then in the markets? Well, we saw the fluctuation in the Nasdaq in pre-market in European session in the morning to have reached come back to highs previously reached almost 12,400, but clearly after that it just tanked. We are looking perhaps finding some footing around the 12,125 marker. I have my support at 12,000 and my resistance at 1230 at 12.3. So the momentum could probably spill over into the US session when it opens in about 15 minutes without that momentum to the downside could be continued. Find some support around 12,000, better entry. Uh, the Dow Jones is also trading lower, so breaking below 32,000. I have my support at 31.5. RSI is almost in the oversold territory, but this can, like I said, this could probably continue even lower. We'll see 31,000 in the Dow. Let's see. I'm having some issues with some of my charts. And then I have here Nat Gas. It's also trading in that tight range of 240, 250. And then we have here the gold, which is traded above 1900, right below 1950. Uh, so we're $25 away from the resistance of 1950. That could probably continue on as investors flock to some security into gold, some metals. Silver is also pushing higher. 2250 is my resistance. 2150 is my support. Copper is the one that has actually uh, been more of a sell. It has broken that $4 support, psychological level. Now it's a resistance. Prior it was a support. Now I'm having my support at 380. We'll see if that will hold. Will we find some more participants around these levels? That could be the case. We have here Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking to stay right around 25,000. Will we find more fluctuation to the upside, to the downside? Really, Bitcoin is so volatile. Then we have here the euro. The euro is really on a tear, trading lower, rebounding of this 200-day moving average. 105 is the support level. We most likely perhaps reach it, as well as the pound is trading lower. 120 is my support. As far as the dollar index goes, if we see that another pop to the upside, continue this movement to the upside to reach 104.50, then continue higher to 105, and we will see more movements to the downside in gold, in the metals. Okay. Well, let me see if I don't know why this chart is not loading for me. Uh, WTI, I wanted to talk about it. Let me see if I can get it to be open. We see. If not, then we'll just have to move on. Let me see if this thing's not. No, it's not loading. All right. Well, that's it for me for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.